Hi, my name's Abby, and today I will be showing you how to put together the Berg 1 single system. First, you will need your fuel line, your male coupler, your elbow fitting, Teflon tape, and then of course the female coupler and the threaded male fitting. First, what you'll do, you'll apply the Teflon tape to all the threaded male fittings. As you can see, I've already applied one. What you'll want to do is go with the thread and wrap it 2 full times, but to make sure you don't get it on the top side of the fitting, because you don't want to block any fuel from coming through. You want to put the elbow fitting into the cap, and your cap might be a different color depending on what generator you bought. Once you tighten it enough with your hand, you'll want to grab an 11/16 wrench and tighten it the rest of the way. Then you'll want the male coupler to go into the elbow fitting. And once again, once you tighten it with your hand, come as much as you can, take the 9/16 wrench and tighten it the rest of the way. And then you'll remove the cap and make sure you have at least 20 minutes of gas in it, at least. Then you'll put the cap on as tight as it will go, and then this threaded male fitting will go into your gas tank that has to have a drop tube. And the best way to put this one is hold it straight, and then take that 9/16 wrench and do it. And this does have a swivel end fitting, so it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to twist the hose with it. Now that this is completely tightened, you'll want at least one thread showing. It 2 is okay as well. And then you'll connect the female and male coupler, the snap fitting, and then you'll start your generator up as normal.